Good morning, students. Now I can explain some basic concepts in chemistry, that is language of chemistry. Every subject there is a basic concept is the most important. So that's why in chemistry also some basic concept. Now I tell you that is language of chemistry. The fundamental concepts of chemistry. First we learn elements, atomic number, atomic number can be denoted by Z, name of the element, and symbol, mass number. Mass number can be indicated by A. First atomic number is 1. The name of the element is hydrogen. The symbol of element is H and the mass number is 1. And second element is helium and the symbol of the element is He. If two letters we can write down, first letter always can be written as capital letter and second letter always can be written as small letter while writing two letters, and mass number is 4. And third element is lithium. The symbol of element is Li. Here also first letter can be written as capital letter and second letter can be written as small letter. So mass number is 7. So fourth one is beryllium. Symbol of the element is Be. Mass number is 9. And fifth one is boron and symbol is B. Mass number is 11. And sixth one is carbon. Symbol is C. Mass number is 12. And seventh one is nitrogen and symbol is N. Mass number is 14. And eighth one is oxygen and symbol is O. Mass number is 16. Next one, and ninth one is fluorine. Symbol is F and mass number is 19. And 10 neon and symbol is Ne. Mass number is 20. And 11 sodium, symbol is Na. The Latin name of sodium is natrium. Latin name of sodium is natrium. So mass number is 23. And 12 is magnesium. and the symbol is Mg, mass number is 24. And 13 aluminium, symbol is Al, mass number is 27. 14 silicon, symbol is Si, mass number is 28. And 15 phosphorus, symbol is P, mass number is 31. Sixteen sulfur, symbol is S, mass number is 32. 17 chlorine, symbol is Cl, mass number is 35.5. and 18 argon, symbol is Al, mass number is 40. and 19 potassium, the Latin name is Kalium, symbol is K, mass number is 39. 20 calcium, symbol Ca, mass number is 40. 21 scandium, symbol is Sc, mass number 45. 22 titanium, symbol is Ti, mass number is 48. 23rd vanadium, symbol is V, and mass number is 51. 24 chromium, symbol is Cr, mass number is 52. and 25 manganese, symbol is Mn, mass number is 55. and 26 ferrous or iron, symbol is Fe, mass number is 56. 27 cobalt, symbol is Co, mass number is 59. 28 nickel, symbol is Ni, mass number 58. 29 copper, Cu, mass number 63.5. and 30 zinc, symbol is Zn, mass number is 65. Now I can explain atomic number Z is equal to number of electrons equal to number of protons. Now I can explain atomic number Z is equal to number of electrons equal to number of protons. Number of electrons equal to number of protons. Some basic formulas in chemistry అటామిక్ నెంబర్ Z is equal to నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోటాన్స్. అంటే అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఎంత ఉంటే అన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అన్ని ప్రోటాన్స్ ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ మాస్ నెంబర్. మాస్ నెంబర్ ఇండికేటెడ్ బై A. మాస్ నెంబర్ A is equal to నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ protons plus number of neutrons. Number of protons plus number of neutrons, it is equal to mass number. But how do we can calculate number of neutrons means number of neutrons N means neutrons containing neutral charge, it is electrically neutral. So now how do we can calculate number of neutrons means number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number, we can get the number of neutrons. Number of neutrons N0 is equal to mass number indicated by A minus atomic number indicated by Z. So number of neutrons N0 is equal to A minus Z, mass number minus atomic number. Now we can calculate number of electrons, protons and neutrons in neutral atoms. How do we can calculate number of electrons, protons, neutrons in neutral atoms? Calculation of number of electrons, protons, neutrons in neutral atom. For example, if we take the hydrogen, first element is hydrogen, symbol of hydrogen is H and atomic number is 1 and mass number is also 1. So atomic number Z is equal to 1. How many electrons will be present? So number of electrons equal to 1. Number of protons also 1. Number of neutrons, formula A minus Z, here mass number is 1 and atomic number also 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and number of neutrons is 0. Like that. And also second element is helium and symbol is He, atomic number Z is equal to and mass number A is equal to 4. Number of electrons, how many electrons will be present in the helium? Number of electrons equal to 2 and number of protons also 2. How many neutrons will be present in the helium? A minus Z. So here a mass number is 4 and atomic number Z is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Number of neutrons in the helium atom is 2. Like that we can calculate every element, number of electrons and number of protons will be, how many electrons, how many protons will be present, it is equal to atomic number. If atomic number Z is equal to number of electrons equal to number of protons, అంటే atomic number ఎంత ఉంటే అన్ని electrons అన్ని protons ఉంటాయి. Why we know the electrons means if you write down the electronic configurations, how many electrons will be present in each atom, that is the basic concept. So that's why we can tell about the atomic number Z is equal to number of electrons equal to number of protons. If electronic configuration మనం రాయాలంటే ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి ఏం అవసరం అంటే ఆ ఎలిమెంట్లో ఎన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉంటే మనకు తెలియాలి. అది తెలియాలంటే ముందు ఏం చేయాలంటే అటామిక్ నెంబర్ అనేది మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. And now similarly we can calculate number of electrons, protons and neutrons in ions also. If now we can calculate number of electrons, protons and after that how do we can calculate number of electrons, protons and neutrons in ions? Calculation of number of electrons, protons and neutrons in ions. So ions are basically how many types? Two types ions will be present. One is cations and second one is anions. Now calculation of number of electrons, protons and neutrons in cations. First of all, how it will form the cations? Cations are formed loss of electrons. loss of electrons by the metals. How it will be the cations? Cations are formed loss of electrons by the metals. Metals అనేది electrons లాస్ చేసుకోవడం ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతాయంటే cations ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. And what is the sign for the cation? The sign of cation is plus, and the plus sign indicates loss of electrons. And fourth point is, after the plus sign, the number indicates how many electrons are lost by the metals. cations ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతాయి అంటే మెటల్స్ అనేటి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ లాస్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల cations ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. క్యాటయాన్ సైన్ ఏదంటే ప్లస్ సైన్ ఇండికేట్స్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ ద ప్లస్ సైన్ ద నెంబర్ ఇండికేట్స్ హౌ మెనీ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఆర్ లాస్ బై ద మెటల్స్. ప్లస్ తర్వాత ఎంత నెంబర్ పెడితే అన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ లాస్ అయినాయి. Now we can calculate number of electrons, protons or neutrons in cations also. For example, if we take the sodium cation, in sodium cation how many electrons will be present? Now we can calculate. For example, sodium cation, symbol is Na, atomic number Z is equal to 11. In neutral atom how many electrons will be present in the sodium? 11 electrons will be present. And how many protons will be present? 11 protons in neutral atom. Now we can calculate in ions. So which ion will be present? Cation. The sign of cation is plus. After the plus sign the number indicates how many electrons are lost by the metals. So number is 1. In neutral atom 11 electrons will be present. Plus sign indicates loss of electrons. After the plus sign the number indicates how many electrons are lost by the metals. So how many electrons will be lost? 1 electron. So now here how many electrons will be present? 10 electrons will be present. So protons will be as usual. There is no loss of electron, there is no gain of electron. Protons will be remains constant. Only we can change the electrons. Gain of electrons or loss of electrons, only electrons, but not change the protons. Number of electrons equal to 10. Number of protons, how many protons will be present in the sodium cation means number of protons 11. So number of neutrons is also similar to calculation number of neutrons, neutral atoms. What is the mass number of neutrons, calculation of number of A minus Z. Mass number A is equal to 23. Mass number 23 minus atomic number Z is equal to 11. That is equal to number of neutrons 12. How many neutrons will be present in the sodium cation? 12 neutrons. Number of protons 11. Number of electron 10. Similarly we can calculate magnesium cation also. Magnesium cation, symbol is Mg, atomic number is 12 and mass number is 24. So in general in neutral atom how many electrons will be present? 12 electrons will be present in the neutral atom and 12 protons will be present in the neutral atom. But here plus sign indicates loss of electrons. After the plus sign the number indicates how many electrons are lost by the metals. So how many electrons will be lost? 2 electrons will be lost. So that's why how many electrons will be present in the sodium cation? 10 electrons will be present in the sodium cation and 12 protons will be present in the magnesium. cation. Number of neutrons, what is the formula? A minus Z. So here mass number is 24 and atomic number is 12. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12 neutrons. Number of neutrons in the magnesium cation 12. Like that we can calculate all cations. Now we can calculate number of electrons, protons, neutrons in anions. Calculation of number of electrons, protons and neutrons in anions. How it will calculation of number of electrons, protons and neutrons in anions? First of all, how it will form the anions? Similar to cations. Anions are formed. Anions are formed gain of electrons. Gain of electrons by the non-metals. By the non-metals. And second one is the sign of anion is minus. The minus sign indicates gain of electrons. After the minus sign, the number indicates how many electrons are gained by the non-metals. Anions ఎలా ఫామ్ అయితే అంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ గెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. ఆ గెయిన్ చేసుకునేది ఏంటంటే నాన్ మెటల్స్ అనే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ గెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల యానయాన్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. యానయాన్ సైన్ ఏదంటే మైనస్ సైన్ ఇండికేట్స్ గెయిన్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ ద మైనస్ సైన్ మైనస్ తర్వాత ఎంత నెంబర్ ఉంటే అన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ గెయిన్ చేసుకున్నట్టు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నైట్రైడ్ n atomic number Z is equal to 7. In neutral atom nitrogen, how many electrons will be present? 7 electrons and 7 proton will be present in the neutral atom. Now we can calculate in the anions. Minus sign indicates gain of electrons. After the minus sign, the number indicates how many electrons are gained by the non-metals. 3 electrons are gained. 7 electrons and 3 electrons. Total how many electrons will be there? 10 electrons. So number of electrons in the nitride is 10 electrons and proton is 7 protons. Protons remains will be constant. And how do we can calculate number of neutrons? Number of neutrons A minus Z. Here mass number A is equal to 14 and 14 minus Z is equal to 7. That is equal to how many neutrons will be present? 7 neutrons will be present. Like that we can calculate oxide also. Oxide. The symbol is O, atomic number Z is equal to 8. In neutral atom, how many electron will be present in the oxygen? 8 electron will be present and 8 proton will be present. But here minus sign indicates gain of electrons. After the minus sign, the number indicates how many electrons are gained by the non-metals. Here how many electron will be gained? 2 electron will be gained and 8 electron. Total how many electron will be there? 10 electrons. And number of electrons in the oxide ion is 10 electrons and proton is 8 protons. Similar to we can calculate number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. Here mass number is A is equal to 16 and 16 minus atomic number 8. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8 neutrons. Like that we can calculate number of electrons, protons and neutrons in anions also. For example, one more example also we can take. And sulfide symbol is S. Atomic number Z is equal to 16. In neutral atom, how many electron will present? 16 electrons and 16 proton. 16 protons, but here minus sign indicates gain of electrons. After the minus sign, the number indicates how many electrons will be gained, 2 electrons. 16 electrons and 2 electrons, total how many electrons will be there, 18 electrons to get the nearest noble gas configurations of argon. So number of neutrons A minus Z, here mass number is A is equal to 32 and 32 minus 16, that is equal to number of neutrons the sulfide is 16. Like that we can calculate all the anions. Okay children, next class లో ఇప్పుడు మనం క్యాటయాన్స్ యానయాన్స్ చూసాం. మరి క్యాటయాన్స్కి సైన్ ఎందుకు మనం +1 +2 +3 పెట్టాం? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సోడియం క్యాటయాన్ వాడితే చార్జ్ +1 అండ్ మెగ్నీషియం ఈజ్ +2 అండ్ Al ఈజ్ +3. సో ఇన్ యానయాన్స్ నైట్రైడ్ N-3, ఆక్సైడ్ ఈజ్ O-2, సల్ఫైడ్ ఈజ్ S-2. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు చార్జెస్ +1 +2 +3, ఇక్కడ యానయాన్కి -3 -2 పెట్టామనేది డౌట్ ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో how we can the charges will be comes, next class we can discuss about the complete data of this.